Can't boot into Windows 11? Here's the fastest way to get into the Windows recovery environment using just your power button. Hi everyone and welcome back to the CNATT channel. If Windows won't start properly, make sure your PC is completely turned off. Turn on your PC. As soon as the Windows or manufacturer's logo appears, hold down the power button until it shuts down. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Repeat this on-off cycle 2 or 3 times. Note, on our test laptop, we repeated this process 4 times. Other systems may only need 2 or 3 attempts. After multiple failed boot attempts, Windows will automatically enter the recovery environment. These steps work on both laptops and desktops, providing a reliable way to access recovery even if Windows won't start normally. This is the fastest power button method, but there are other ways too. Click or tap the video on the end screen or use the link in the description or pinned comment to watch the full tutorial.